If you've ever tried to capture gameplay with OBS Studio, only to be met with a frustrating black screen instead of your epic moments, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the black screen issue with OBS's game capture. By the end of this video, you'll know all the steps, from basic troubleshooting to advanced fixes, so you can get back to streaming or recording without missing a beat. Let's dive right in, starting with the essential checks you'll want to make. First things first, always run OBS Studio as an administrator. This might sound like a minor thing, but giving OBS higher-level permissions helps it interact with games and your hardware more smoothly. Just right-click on your OBS shortcut and hit Run as Administrator. If you don't see a change right away, don't worry. Sometimes the fix happens behind the scenes, allowing for proper hooking into the game processes. Next, let's look at your game's display mode. Most games default to full screen, but this can interfere with OBS's ability to capture your gameplay. Head into your game's video settings and switch from full screen to either borderless windowed or just windowed mode. Trust me, this can be a game changer, pun intended. With that done, hop back into OBS and set your game capture source to capture specific window, then select your game by name. This tells OBS exactly which window to grab, cutting out any guesswork. If game capture is still stubborn and not showing anything, don't worry. Delete the current source in OBS and add a window capture instead. This method uses a different technique for capturing what's on screen and can sometimes bypass compatibility issues game capture runs into. In the source list, select your game from the available windows, and keep in mind, the game needs to be running for OBS to detect it. Another crucial step is updating. Make sure OBS Studio itself is up to date through help. Check for updates. And just as important, update your graphics card drivers too, whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Outdated drivers are notorious for causing capture issues. Even a recent update can offer better performance and fix hidden bugs. Now, if nothing's working, it might be time for a clean slate. Uninstall OBS Studio completely and delete any leftover configuration files from the install directory. This is important. Sometimes old settings can persist. Then, download and reinstall the latest version. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your recording setup. Alright, let's move on to some advanced fixes for those trickier cases. Windows Game Mode can sometimes interfere with how screen capture utilities work. Navigate to your PC settings, open Gaming, and turn Game Mode off. Take a moment to also check the game bar settings and make sure it's disabled. These features can hog the game's graphics, leaving OBS in the dark. If you're using a computer with both integrated and dedicated graphics, like many laptops or desktops with a GPU, take a quick trip to your display settings, then Graphics. Find OBS Studio in the app list and set its GPU preference to High Performance or directly to your dedicated graphics card. This makes sure OBS gets the horsepower it needs to grab those frames, instead of fighting with your integrated graphics. For another quick tip, try resetting your game capture source transform settings. Right-click the source in OBS's list, go to Transform, and hit Reset. Sometimes capture problems are simply the result of a misaligned source or an accidental crop. Finally, tweaking the process priority in OBS can make a difference. In the OBS settings under the Advanced tab, set process priority to above normal or even high. If you're running lots of apps, this ensures OBS gets the attention it needs from your CPU. And there you have it. From basic troubleshooting all the way to advanced settings, these steps should get your game capture working and kick that black screen to the curb. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and if you're still stuck or have questions, drop a comment below. I read them all and love to help out. For more fix-it guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Good luck and happy recording!